Hello, Kern River Valley and our Wallace Colt families. This is Mrs. Bogart coming to you from the backyard of Corona University. And today we are going to split water apart. That's right, we are going to break down some molecules. So what we're using today is just a cup. I just have a plastic cup. I think it's for my blender. You can use plastic or glass, whatever you'd like. I have some water that I'll be pouring in there. We're going to use just a smidgen of salt. If you don't have salt, you can also use baking powder. We're going to use a spoon for doing some stirring and a fresh 9-volt battery. So first we're just going to pour some water into your cup, and we're going to just take about that much. I'm not measuring, even though it is graduated. The word graduated for science equipment means it has numbers on it. So even though it is graduated, we're not going to be actually like measuring anything. We're going to put in just a smidge of salt, and I'm just going to do it up here so you can see it. Just a little bit of salt, and the salt is really just to help with the electricity to pass through this water. I'm giving a little stir. Ooh, tornado, very cool. So we know that water is H2O. The 2 goes to the H, so that's 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen atom bonded together into a molecule. So water is a molecule made of hydrogen and oxygen. Now, water is a liquid, but if you think about hydrogen and you think about oxygen, well, at room temperature, those are not liquids. Those are gases. So, when we put this battery into the water, I know it sounds crazy. I'm going to ask you to put a battery into water, or I promise won't hurt yourself. I want you to really pay attention to the terminals of the battery and really watch, see what forms there, and see if maybe one is more than the other. So here we go. It's not going to hurt you, and I would never ask you to do anything that would hurt you. So you can see, just take a look and see what's happening there. Curious. Do you see that maybe there's one that has more than the other? So if water is H2O and it has 2 hydrogens for every oxygen, what do you think those bubbles are full of? What do you think those are? Now, if we were in my science class, we would be collecting these bubbles into a test tube and doing some tests to determine their identities. But we're not in the science lab, we're in the backyard, so we won't be doing that. But if you think you know the identities of what is in those and what is in those, go ahead and give me a comment. If you try this at home, take a video or a picture and drop it in the comments. And I know you're going to ask, is it dangerous? Can I put my finger in that water right now? Am I going to get shocked? And the answer is it's absolutely safe. You're not going to hurt yourself. So give this a try at home. Let's see if you too can break water apart.